Hello, my name is Ashley. Today I'm gonna prepare you very delicious beet juice, including aloe vera. And I want to show you how you can clean. Now that I clean one here, you see it. After I clean it, I put it in water, so the bitterness and the sliminess a little bit goes away. So this is from my garden, which when the aloe vera is a year old or even older, it's even better for you to use it, to drink it, or to use it for cosmetics. So when you cut pieces like this to make it easier for you. Cut the both sides first, take the pokes away, and then just take a spoon first and make a little slit like this towards to the skin. Push the spoon towards to the skin, because if you do with the knife, you might cut your hands or you might cut the leaf. It can stay half. So, but when you do with the spoon, you just hold it like this and go towards to your hands, push it up, and it will peel it just like that. Hold it like this, push it towards to your hands, to the skin, and it will separate just like this. Now this skin that you see here, it's a lot of gelatin still there is. You can take this and use it on your face as a mask, and you will see how the skin it's gonna shrink. Sometimes you can take the aloe vera and mix it with your cream and use that for your face. Now over here, while I'm going towards pushing down so it separates the skin from the inside flesh. So this is how you clean them. Put in a tray, it makes it easier. If it's easy for you to use the knife, then do so, but I think this is the most safest way. It'll come very easy. And then you put it in the water, just wash it once, throw the water again, and you can wash it again. And if it's clean, you think, then it's pretty good. Now that I put the old one in, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just rinse one more time. So what we're gonna do is, you know that the beet is very, very healthy for you. It's antioxidant, it gives you energy, it gives you a lot of good boost. So what we have to do is we're gonna squeeze the juice out of it, and we're mixing with aloe vera, and then we're gonna put about a couple teaspoons of honey, which is the honey. It's very healthy too. So we're gonna do this, and we're gonna see how delicious juice is gonna be. Now we're gonna juice this. Let's see. Now we're going to put the aloe vera in it. And here you see the best, healthiest, good juice. Now, the beets is already sweet, but sometimes it might become a little bitter. So is the aloe vera. Just you make sure that you wash it. Look how beautiful color it has. Now what we have to do is we're gonna add 2 teaspoons of honey in it. This is the honey that I extracted from my honey bees, from my honeycomb. I will put about spoon, I think. I can put a little bit more or less, but I think this will be good. We're gonna mix it. Sometimes what you can do, you can take the aloe vera and mix it with the milk and a little coconut milk. It will give another good taste for you. But this is my juice that at least I'll drink once, sometimes twice a month. There you go. There's a little bit more honey. This is really good for your skin. for your skin, for your health. And I'm sure that you've seen they do a lot of advertising on TV. They try to sell you a powder. While you have the fresh one, why do you need to use powder one? Now that you see here, beautiful color. I have my cup. I have to tell you, like what I said, I drink like once or twice a month like this because I already drink a lot of healthy different kind of juices. And here, in case if you want, you can put a little couple drop of lemon in it, mint, and here we go to you. I hope you'll try this. This is very healthy for your skin. I don't want to say my age, but this is my healthy diets that I eat and drink. Salute to you. Let me see. I think it's very, very delicious. Everybody should try to eat beets or squeeze it with aloe vera juice. It's healthy. Try this. I thank you very, very much for watching. And in case if you like it, please like and subscribe and check my channel. I have plenty healthy good things. It's holidays is coming. You can make this for Christmas, New Year. Happy holiday to you. Bye bye. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this channel. I want to thank to all my patrons on patreon.com for their support to make my channel possible. Thank you.